I'm on the second mall taking my second Louis Vuitton, as tomorrow will have the price increase. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my panic buying just before the Louis Vuitton price increase. I know that I am not necessarily buying anything from Louis Vuitton right now, even though tomorrow is the price increase. Today is the 30th of September and the rumor of the price increase will be tomorrow on the 1st of October. However, today I am collecting my Christmas animation mini pochette that I ordered since last month. And when I was there, they told me that I have to buy something else before I can collect them. So it's kind of bundling kind of thing. So I was thinking, oh, may as well get it now because today is the last day before the price increase. So these are the items that I bought. Okay, firstly, this is it. Here we go. Ta-da! So this is the 6-ring key holder in brown leather. As you know that I own the one with the rose ballerine, but everything is already a mess because I own it for quite some times now and I use it every day for my car keys, and some of the glazing's already off. The button is already not so nice, so I ended up buying this again, and it says here, this is the code. I like this because this is very practical, and I know I'm using this daily. Oops, there is another card in here like this. I think this is the newer version of the card. So yep, that is the first item that I purchased today just before the price increase. And the second item is this one right here. It is nicely with the ribbon and the gift card. Okay, let me open that first. Okay. So this is the second item that I bought today, and this is it. Ta-da! So this is the Felicie pochette in Angprong leather in the color turtle, if not I'm not mistaken. So I think this is from last season, so there's not much left in store. I went to one of the store and it is out of stock, and I went to the other store and got this one. So it is beautiful. I know that Felicie is like a bestseller. A lot of people likes to wear this, and the price point is still okay comparing to the latest edition of the canvas. I think the price has gone up ridiculously, so I think this is still a good price in my opinion. As you get the pouch, you can put cash, you can put cards, and in here also you can put actually whatever you want with this one. You can oh, there is this thing. You can put coins if you want, or you can put your cash here. I like the way they have the smooth leather in the inside, so it's easier for us to clean. Whenever we want to clean them up, you can just wipe it. And I like it because the Angprong leather is not easy to scratch, and if they do scratch, we can just wipe it nicely, and so it's not very visible. And in here The lining is just fabric with one slip pocket here. It has the older version of the card, and this is the code. Oops. So it has this beautiful chain for a crossbody. Let me just put this on first. The inside is just like that. I think mine already don't have the date code, so I think this is already chipped, so there is no date code anymore in this one. So I cannot find any date code anymore in this, so I believe this must have been with the chip already. So these are the two items that I bought just one day before the price increase, along with the Christmas animation that I bought. So I bought two Christmas animation, this one and this one. So I bought these two. So today I bought 4 because of the bundling of this Christmas animation. If you want to see me unbox this one, I'm gonna link it down below, the video of this Christmas animation, so you can watch only for the Christmas animation without this. So overall, these are the items that I bought today. Here with this one. So guys, what do you think of my purchase? Do you like the Felicie pochette? And what do you think of the bundling of the Christmas animation? If you have some opinion, please leave them in a comment, because I would love to hear from you. And if you have any suggestion of the new release that you would like me to review, please also write in the comment below. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you. Bye.